Hi, we're at the NAB 2022 show and we're showing the brand new BC15P. It's our little POV block camera. It is great to use for live applications. Maybe you want to supplement it as a wide shot with our 4K PTZ cameras. It matches well. Or maybe you might want to do a close-up if you're doing a concert to show like a drummer, a guitarist. Really handy camera. The nice thing that I like about it is it has POE, so you can place it anywhere, not have to worry about powering it. It also has HDMI 2.0, it also has audio in, and more importantly, it even has a streaming encoder built into it, streaming all the way at H.265, so you can stream to your popular platforms. Again, this is the BC15P. For more information, be sure and visit our website at Datavideo.com. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like us on our social media channels. Thanks for watching.